Morning traders, Nick Mastrandeo, Market Tea Leaves, here to bring you up a daily market buyers video for Friday, July 18th. It's approximately 5:45 a.m. in the East Coast. We were to take a look at the overnight session. Asia closed mixed, or mainly mixed if you will, with about half the exchanges closing lower and the other half closing higher. Currently right now in Europe, and this is current and ongoing, all of Europe is trading to the downside. Now if we were to take a look at more correlation as it stands, currencies in terms of the U.S. dollar is trading higher. Energies in terms of crude is also trading higher. There is no correlation between crude and the U.S. dollar as this writing. Financials in terms of the bonds are trading off fractionally or down fractionally. And the indices themselves are trending upwards slightly, if you will. This is not very much. The S&P is up by about maybe 3 ticks. NASDAQ is up by about about 4 points. However, the Dow Jones Industrial Average is pointing downward. Metals in terms of gold is also trading down as this hour. Now, if we were to take a look at the economic news that's on the docket for the U.S. markets today, at 9:55 we have preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectation numbers. These are considered to be major. The reason for that is because they are preliminary numbers, they are not revised. Preliminary numbers always have priority or precedence over revised numbers, if you will. And at 10 a.m. we have the Conference Board leading index indicators. This is also considered to be major and could potentially be a market mover. All in all, bias is neutral, and the reason why we're suggesting that it should be a neutral bias is very simply because we have no idea of what the ramifications are of the Malaysian jet crash yesterday. In other words, we don't know whether or not the market is going to continue to trend lower, or whether or not it's going to rebound somewhat. It certainly has the capacity to rebound somewhat. However, there's an additional wrinkle as well. Today, ironically enough, happens to be options expiration date, and typically during an option expiration day, we see a lot more volatility in terms of prices, in terms of where they go, etc., etc. This could lead to a very erratic market. So basically, for our new subscribers, a neutral bias means that the markets could go in any direction today. And we see that type of situation setting up. So be mindful of that if trading today. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything can happen in a volatile market. And as we saw yesterday, we are dealing with a very volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.